What's going on, everybody? This is Big Cliff here. Welcome back to the channel. Got a special video for you guys today. Highly anticipated video from a lot of my viewership out there. I bring you guys some cooking video today. But before that, I got a very special announcement for you guys. I formed a partnership with the apparel company Tropical Bros. As you can see, I'm rocking one of their shirts today. I just love their products. You know, they have a really nice material to them, and it's all about, you know, I'm embracing the tropical life down here, and I absolutely love the stuff that they put out on the market there. And I've actually have a discount code for 20% off the entire online store if you use my discount code BigCliff20. I'll link the information for Tropical Bros down below. But yeah, you'll be seeing me wearing a lot of their swag for a lot of my videos coming up. Stay tuned. We'll be making some green chili Bratburgers for you guys with some buffalo chicken mac and cheese. So essentially for this recipe, it takes two of my favorite kind of burger regions in the United States. We have the Midwest region, where we have take pretty much the bratwurst sausage, you combine it in with the burger patty, and then you combine that with the New Mexico tradition of taking hatch green chili from New Mexico and putting it directly on top of the burger. So really, I'm actually going to be combining all of it into the patty itself instead of outside of it. So just a minute here, I'm going to show you guys the prep to get the patties ready, and then soon we'll be hitting the grill. All right, so I've already prepped it a little bit, but I'll just show you guys what I do here. It's pretty simple. So essentially you just take a 1-to-1 mixture of I like to do 80-20 ground beef, and then just your favorite brat, uncooked brat that you want. So it's got to be uncooked, so that way you can get the actual meat out of the casing and all that. Essentially, you just kind of blend it all together. I'll show you how I take it out of the casing. You just go up to there, all the way up. The casing peels right off at that point. Just kind of get in there a little bit, you know, so it mixes better. Just kind of chunk it up. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic salt, dash of pepper. You can be red pepper, black pepper, whatever you prefer. About half tablespoon of salt. I have a hard time getting on there. Here we go. I like to put a dash of hamburger seasoning in there too. That has a little pizzazz to it. And then for your green chili, just take one of these cans of green chili, 4-ounce can. I prefer the hot stuff. Just dump it right in there. Then mix it all together. Start pattying them up. There's one. All right, these patties are ready to go out to the grill. So next time I see you, I'll be out at the grill. All right, we're at the grill now. We're putting these babies on. Grilling is my preferred method for making burgers. I mean, I unfortunately I can't really grill at my place. That's one of the reasons why I'm down here at my buddy's place, the Keys. I'm using their awesome grill access. All right. Usually like to bring it down like medium heat or so. Alright. We'll leave them be for a little bit. Alright, let's check and see how our burgers are doing. Yeah. Alright, we'll check back a little bit and check on these guys. And over here, we got my favorite dog in all the Florida Keys, my buddy Petey Pablo. Oh, I love this guy. I dog sit him for like a week or so, and him and I just became best buds. I can't really get a dog yet, but comment below what you think would be a good dog for me. Kind of interested to see what you guys say. Heard my Petey boy. Alright, it's burger check time. Oh man, if you guys could only smell what's going on right now. Smell-o-vision. Burgers are probably my favorite thing to make on the grill. I mean, I like grilling chicken and grilling like salmon and stuff like that as well, but I don't know, man. It's something about grilling a burger is just so liberating and so delicious. Alright, it's time to check on the burgers. These babies are about done. We'll go ahead and put some pepper jack cheese on all of these. Actually. Give it a second for the cheese to melt on there. So really with the buffalo chicken mac and cheese, it's just make it just direct to the package, you know, like 1 or 2 packages depending on how many people you have. Nothing too fancy, but once it's actually Once we get all done and cheesy, I'll show you what I do. Add the little pizzazz to it. These babies are done. Just put pepper jack cheese on there. If I have access to like really good cheese, sometimes I like to do like pepper American or like more of a creamy pepper cheese, because pepper jack isn't my favorite per se, but my favorite of like the store-bought like pepper cheeses, you know what I mean? Oh no! We'll let them rest for a little bit while we get the mac and cheese all good to go. Alright, so the mac and cheese is all good to go, so we'll go ahead and... I had about, about a pound of canned chicken in there. So I had 2 smaller cans, so I'm just going to do, instead of 1 bigger one, so just do a little bit of canned chicken. I usually like to do about a cup of my favorite wing sauce, which is, I usually like mild or medium. Unfortunately, that's all that was in the container, so not quite a cup. Just pour it right in there. Stir. Just like that, it's all good to go. Alright, so just plating one up right now. I just like to keep mine simple. Just put a little bit of Whataburger spicy ketchup, the best ketchup in the land, a little bit of mustard, and probably a little bit lettuce on mine. And just like that, cheeseburger in paradise, baby. Alright, everybody, I'd like to thank you all for watching the video. That's going to be first of many cooking videos coming up. I'll be doing some fishing content here pretty soon again, now that I'm a little bit more mobile. But yeah, smash that like button, that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome content. Remember to check out Tropical Bros for all your favorite tropical life gear. Stay great, my dudes.